boy Jane aka Yasu. Today we are going to be doing the Tomei exhaust on my Supra. Fully stock 2020. We just jacked it up. My dad. So we could go under the car. Hey guys, just want to explain this a little better, but in my case we had 8 bolts, 4 13 millimeters on each side, and after that we have 2 11-meter bolts on each side we had to remove. Don't forget to keep everything separate, that way when you put things back you won't be missing any bolts.
Okay. I think the hanger here.
Where that should be loose. Well, I took the bolt off.
Nah.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
The whole metal part can come off.
Yeah. They're almost there.
It's just hanging on or what?
Is that a hanger or
There you go.
All right, now is just
Pull it?
yep, shimmying it off the down pipe.
Okay.
Then.
Alright, you pull like shimmy.
There
There we go.
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
Okay, now this thing goes off the.
You can let it down.
Okay.
I'll just drag it out.
All right.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
That exhaust is hella light.
Compared to that.
The new one is like paper.
No shit.
Yeah.
That one is like only 18 pounds.
Really?
Yeah,
Yours
single
looks
like
heavy.
it's titanium everything.
Fuck. Yeah, that's heavy, dude.
I sell it.
No one's gonna buy it.
It'll sound good after you sell this, baby.
Yeah, I took a video of the rev of like just like the cold start and everything too already.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey guys, I just want to talk about 3 exhaust hanger bushings. This is what you can use to actually adjust the fitment on the Tomei dual exhaust or any exhaust. That way you can make sure that the fitment looks really good from the back. This is how I made mine look perfectly centered. So hopefully this helps you guys. But yeah, you just want to correct those when you put it back on.
She weighs so much it's gonna crush the.
That shit sounds good though.
Yeah, and that's just stock down pipe.
And that's your aftermarket?
Yeah, that's already, I think that's loud enough for now.
Yeah.
For now.
For now.
Yeah, I can use like maybe like 10 more decibels.
No, 10 decibels a
Nah,
lot.
20, man. 20 at least.
Oh, right.
Might as well straight pipe it.
Yeah, put the bar.
Now just rev it out.
Thank you. What'd you get, Freddie?
A shit ton of stuff.
Oh my god, it's built to the brim.
We rolled out the
Oh, I got like tendon and whatever stuff too.
Oh my gosh. We're all about to eat
Alright.
after a long day of photos and videos.
Which you guys did.
rip that thing.
We got boba to end the day. Easy toast.
Boy, just taking handles, whatever.
Thank you, sir.